Hello everyone, and welcome to the Coupon Club. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for joining. Definitely consider subscribing to my channel down below because I'm going to be posting all sorts of videos showing you guys how you can pick up your items for under $1 each. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 separate breakdowns which you can do this Saturday at Dollar General utilizing our 5 off of 25 digital coupon. And all 3 of these deals only use digital coupons, meaning that anybody can do these deals. And a quick thank you to anybody who participated in my survey, which I put up this most recent Sunday. I basically just asked you guys what type of deal you would be interested in for this Saturday. I'll put up the results right here. And as you can see, the majority of you guys were interested in a low out-of-pocket deal, and after that was the essentials. So for all 3 of these breakdowns, they do come out to being under $1 per item, and they include some really great items. Somebody actually left a comment under my video earlier today asking for some baby products, so I did throw some diapers in there. We also have some laundry products like Tide. We got some sponges, Pine Sol, a little bit of everything in these breakdowns. And actually, one of the deals which I'm going to be showing you, your subtotal comes out to being just 25 cents. So as long as you guys have a quarter in your pocket or laying around, you guys can do this deal. And if you are interested in doing this deal, definitely keep sticking around to the end because I will show you everything that you need to do, all the items you need to pick up, and coupons which you need to have clipped to your account so you can do this deal too.
Make the strings louder.
And before we hop into these deals, I do just want to mention that this 5 off of 25 coupon is only valid for Saturdays, which is why we are doing this deal on Saturday opposed to any other day of the week. And our digital coupons are a one-time use only, meaning that once you use them, they will be wiped away from your account until that coupon resets. And because these Dollar General coupons are a one-time use only, it is possible that you may have already used some of the digital coupons which I'm going to be showing you in a prior week, which is why I always suggest having more than one Dollar General account. And if you guys don't already have more than one account, I have a video showing you guys how to do that, which I will have linked up here and down in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to start off with our most expensive deal first, and then I'm going to make our way down to our cheapest deal of just 25 cents. And so for this first breakdown, the first item which you are going to want to pick up is some Luvs diapers. And the reason I decided to include some diapers in this deal today is because somebody actually commented on one of my videos asking if I can include some baby products. So in the future, if you guys ever need certain items and you want to see a breakdown with those items, definitely just put a comment down below on one of my videos and I'll try to work those items into a breakdown for you. And if you guys don't want diapers, you're not interested in diapers, keep watching this deal because I'll show you an alternative item which you can pick up instead of these diapers, and it still breaks down to being under $1 per item. Anyways, we're going to start off with these Luvs diapers. They are priced at $6.50. And then there is a $1.50 digital coupon in our apps, which you can use for these Luvs diapers, making the price for them just $5. And remember guys, this final price which I'm showing you on these slides is the cost before we apply our 5 off of 25 digital coupon. And now for anybody who was not interested in picking up diapers, but you still want to do this first breakdown, instead of picking up those Luvs diapers, what you can do is pick up one of the Charmin toilet papers priced at $5 and one of the Dollar General flushable wipes priced at $1.65. Now there is no digital coupon for the Dollar General flushable wipes, but there is a save $1 on Charmin toilet paper digital coupon, which you're going to want to use if you go with these items. And if you do decide to go with these items opposed to the diapers, I will have a final breakdown for you showing you what your final cost will be at the end. Moving on, the next item for this deal is going to be the Listerine Ready tabs. So these are normally priced at $3.50, but right now there is a save $2 digital coupon which you can use for this item. After our digital coupon, the final price for this product becomes just $1.50. Next on our list is the Swiffer Duster. So you want to pick up the Swiffer Duster 1 count, which is priced at $1, and then there is a 50-cent off a digital coupon attaching to this item, making it just 50 cents. And when you guys are in store picking up this item, I do want you to be careful and scan this into your app and make sure that your digital coupon is attaching, because I know that some items have a barcode on the back which is not attaching to this digital coupon. So I have included a picture of the barcode for this item which this digital coupon is attaching to. So just to be safe when you're in store, just scan the barcode on this item just to ensure that this digital coupon is coming off. And you guys shouldn't only be scanning the Swiffer Duster, you really should be scanning every single item in your cart to make sure that your digital coupons are coming off. Anyways, our next item is going to be the Scotch Brite sponges. So the 2-pack of these sponges is priced at $2.75, but there's a 75-cent off digital coupon in our account, which will make the price for this item just $2. We're also going to be picking up some Tide Simply Pods. and you want to pick up the Tide Simply Pod 13 count, which is priced at $2.95, and then use this $2 digital, making the final price just 95 cents. And this is another item you definitely want to make sure that you scan, because this digital coupon is not attaching to all the Tide Simply Pods, but I did picture 2 here, which I know that is attaching to, but again, just scan it when you're in store just to be safe. Now we're going to pick up some Pine Sol, and you want to get the Pine Sol cleaner, which is 40 ounces and priced at $3. Now you also want to make sure that you have this Pine Sol digital coupon, which is for 50 cents. After this digital coupon, the price for this item becomes just $2.50. And the next item on our list is the Bic Simply Soleil razors. You want to get the Bic Simply Soleil 3 count, which is priced at $3.30. And then you want to use this $4 Bic disposable digital coupon, and that'll make your final cost for this item free, and it'll give you a 70-cent overage. And now our last item for this first breakdown is going to be the Gain dryer sheets, and you want to pick up the Gain dryer sheet 34 count, which is priced at $2, and then make sure that you have this Save $1 on Gain digital coupon clipped to your account. After our digital coupon, the price for these dryer sheets becomes just $1. And now here is a list of all the items which you want to be picking up for this deal. And that's our Love diapers, or remember, you can swap these out for the Charmin toilet paper and the Dollar General flushable wipes. Then you want to pick up the Listerine Ready tabs, a Swiffer Duster 1 count, a Scotch-Brite sponge 2-pack, a Tide Simply Pods 13 count, 1 Pine Sol multi-purpose cleaner, 1 Bic Simply Soleil razor, and a Gain dryer sheet 34 count. The subtotal for all of these items comes to exactly $25, which is perfect because that is the exact amount which we need to hit in order to be able to use our 5 off of 25 digital coupon. And now here are all the coupons which you want to have clipped to your Dollar General account to do this deal. And that's our Save $1.50 on Loves, a Save $2 on Listerine, a 50-cent off of Swiffer, a 75-cent off of Scotch-Brite, a Save $2 on 1 Tide Liquid or Tide Pods, 50 cents off of Pine Sol, Save $4 on Bic disposable razor, a $1 off of Gain, and of course our $5 off of 25 digital coupon. So this is a total of $17.25 of coupons, and if you were to take that out of our subtotal of $25, that makes your final cost after coupons just $7.75 for 8 items or 97 cents each. So I love this breakdown to be able to pick up diapers, Tide Pods, Listerine, Pine Sol, all for under $1 each. It's pretty unbelievable, and I'm probably going to be doing this deal myself this weekend, but instead of picking up the Loves diapers, I'm going to swap those out and get the Charmin and the Dollar General wipes. So if you guys do that too, your final cost will be $25.15, but we're going to have $16.75 in coupons, which we're going to apply towards this deal, making our final cost just $8.40 for 9 items or 93 cents each. So this is one of the breakdowns I'm going to be doing myself at Dollar General, and I am super excited about it because I really need some Pine Sol, and to be getting it for a third of the regular price, I'm just super excited. And yeah, anyways, let's get on to our next deal, which is going to come down to just $3.25 for 7 items or 46 cents each. So another great deal. And for this deal, we're actually going to start off by picking up some Tresemme hair care. So you want to pick up 2 Tresemme products that are priced at $5. So 2 of them will cost you $10. And then there is a Save $4 when you buy 2 digital coupon. And the select Tresemme products are also on an instant saving deal for Save $2 when you buy 2 Tresemme shampoo or conditioners or hair styling products. So after our digital coupon and instant savings, you'll be able to pick up 2 of the Tresemme products for just $4. And if anybody isn't familiar with instant savings, at Dollar General, when you are using instant savings and a $5 off of 25 coupon, you need to increase your threshold from that 5 off of 25 by the amount of our instant savings. So because we do have a $2 instant savings, in order to use our 5 off of 25 digital coupon, we now need to spend $27 instead of $25. But that is no big deal for us. It actually helps us and makes our deal really, really cheap. And now for our next item for this breakdown, you want to pick up the Listerine Ready tabs, which are priced at $3.50. And then you want to use our $2 digital, making the final cost for this before our 5 off of 25 digital coupon just $1.50. Now let's pick up some Tide Simply Pods, and you can pick up the Tide Simply Pod 13 count, which is priced at $2.95. And then make sure that you have this $2 digital coupon clipped to your account, making the final cost for this item just 95 cents. Next up, we have the Schick Classic Razor. And for this deal, you want to pick up the Schick Classic Men's Razor, which is priced at $4.50. And then there is a $3 Schick disposable digital coupon attaching to this item, making the final price just $1.50. Another pack of razors which you want to pick up for this deal is the Bic Simply Soleil. So the Bic Simply Soleil 3 count is priced at $3.30, but there is a $4 digital coupon attaching to this item, making it completely free and giving you a 70-cent overage. And now for our last item for this deal, you have an option which you can pick up here. You can either pick up the Always Discreet pads or the Oral-B Indicator toothbrush. These are each priced at $3, and there is a $2 off digital coupon for each of them in our Dollar General account. After this digital coupon, the price for each of these items will be just $1. But remember, you only want to pick up one of these. So now let's just take a quick look at all the items which we should have for this deal. And that is 2 TRESemmé shampoo or styling products, which are priced at $5 each, 1 of the Listerine Ready tabs, a Tide Simply Pods 13 count, 1 Schick Classic Men's Razor, 1 Bic Simply Soleil 3 count, and lastly, an Always Discreet pads or an Oral-B Indicator toothbrush. The subtotal for all of these items comes to $27.25, which is perfect because remember, in order to use our 5 off of 25 digital coupon and use our instant savings for the TRESemmé, we need our subtotal to be at least $27. So here's a quick look at all the coupons which we're using for this deal, starting with the Save $4 on TRESemmé, and we also have our instant savings of Save 2 when you buy 2. Then we have our $2 off of Listerine, a Save 2 on Tide, a $3 off of Schick or Skintimate razor, a $4 off of Bic Soleil disposable razor, a Save $2 on Always Discreet pads, or Save $2 on 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush, and of course, our 5 off of 25 digital coupon. This is a total of $24 in coupons. Now, if you were to take this out of our subtotal of $27.25, that makes your final cost for all of these items just $3.25 or 46 cents each. So this is another amazing deal which you can only do at Dollar General this Saturday. And now let's just hop right into our last breakdown, which is going to be our lowest out-of-pocket, where you guys will be able to pick up all of your items for just 25 cents. So for this deal, the first thing you want to pick up is our Tide Simply Pods 13 count, priced at $2.95, and then make sure that you have this $2 digital coupon clipped to your account. Next up, we're going to be picking up some Bic pens. Specifically, you want to pick up 2 of the Bic Round Stick pens 10 count. They are priced at $1.50 each. So 2 of them will cost you $3, but then we have a $2 off of 1 Bic Writing Instrument digital coupon, making the price for these just $1 before our 5 off of 25 is applied. The next item which you will want to pick up for this breakdown is either an Always Discreet pads 24 to 26 count or an Oral-B Indicator toothbrush 2 count. These are each priced at $3, but then there is a $2 off of digital coupon for each of these items available in our Dollar General accounts, making the final price for one of these just $1. And remember, you only want to pick up one of these, so either pick up the Always Discreet pads or the Oral-B Indicator toothbrush, not both. Next on our list is some Head & Shoulders, and you want to pick up the Head & Shoulders 10 ounce, which is the travel size, and they are priced at $2 each, so 2 of them will run you $4, but then there is a $3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders digital coupon, making the price for both of these just $1. Our next item is going to be a Covergirl eye product, and you want to pick up a Covergirl eye product which is priced at $4 and that this $3 off digital coupon attaches to. An example of an item which you can get is this Covergirl eye pencil. It is a 2 count priced at $4 and this $3 digital coupon does attach to it, making it just $1. You're also going to want to pick up a Covergirl blush, and the Covergirl Cheekers is priced at $4, and you can use this $3 off of Covergirl Face digital coupon for this item, making it just $1. And I do understand that this digital coupon does say that it excludes the Cheekers, but it does attach to this item, so you guys can pick up this product and use this digital coupon on it. Now we're going to pick up some Game Fabric Softener, and you want to get the Game Fabric Softener, the 10 ounce, which is priced at $1. And you can use this $1 off of Gain Liquid Fabric Softener digital coupon, making it completely free. And now the last item for this deal is our Bic Simply Soleil Razor 3 count. This is priced at $3.30, but we have a Save $4 on 1 Bic disposable digital coupon, which is attaching to this item, making it completely free and giving you a 70-cent overage. So now here is a list of all the items which you should have for this deal. Starting off with the Tide Simply Pause 13 count, then you want to have 2 of the Bic pens 10 counts, 1 of the Always Discreet pads or an Oral-B indicator toothbrush, 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel sizes, 1 Covergirl eye pencil, 1 Covergirl Cheekers blush, a Gain fabric softener 10 ounce, and finally a Bic Simply Soleil razor 3 count. This is a total of 10 items, and for all 10 of these items, your subtotal will be $25.25, but we have all these digital coupons which we can apply for this deal, and that is our Save $2 off of 1 Tide, a Save $2 off of 1 Bic writing instrument, our Save $2 on 1 Always Discreet or Oral-B, a Save $3 on 1 Covergirl face, and Save $3 on 1 Covergirl eye, a Save $3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders, a $1 off of Gain, a $4 off of Bic Soleil, and of course, our 5 off of 25 digital coupon. This is a total of $25 of digital coupons, so if you were to take this out of our subtotal of $25.25, that makes your final cost after coupons just 25 cents for all 10 of these items, or 2 cents each. So for anybody who is interested in a low out-of-pocket deal, there you go. That is definitely the deal which you are going to want to go with. For 25 cents for everything is absolutely amazing. I'm going to be doing this deal myself, along with that first breakdown that I showed you guys with the toilet paper and diapers. I think that these deals are so great. And if you guys have any other great breakdowns or coupon matchups, which you can do at Dollar General, definitely share it with us in the comment section down below. That way we can do it too. And if you guys enjoyed this video, show me by giving a big thumbs up down below. And if you're not already, consider subscribing to my channel and ringing that bell so you never miss out on any of these deals. And let me know what kind of breakdown you guys want to see for next Saturday, whether that be food, baby items, Gain, low out of pocket, whatever you guys want. Let me know and I'll take a look at the comments, see what most people say, and I'll put together a deal on that. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.